again, because I'm not gonna do this twice. Now, good morning, my friends. How are you today? Anyway, I want to let you guys know I can't stand fireworks. Like last night, I was like listening to the fireworks last night, and they were like boom, 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 sound like a bunch of guns going off. I know it's New Year's and everything, but can you just do it like away from my area? Seriously, can't stand fireworks. I mean, I can. They're probably like way across the street next to a park or something, like way across my street, but I could hear them all the way from here. So anyway, yeah, I can't stand fireworks, and I'll tell you the truth. So what? It's a new year. So what? You know. I mean, it's not like you have. It's not like you're gonna have a great year doing the same stuff. You know what I mean? Anyway, yeah. So yeah, it's been a great week so far. It's been a good week, you know. Hopefully, hopefully this month will go well. I'm supposed to